Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to differentiate the function y is equal to sine t over 1 plus tangent t. So our derivative, dy dt, is going to be equal to, we have a fraction here, so we can do the denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator over the denominator squared. So we have 1 plus tangent t times the derivative of sine t is cosine t minus sine t times the derivative of 1 is 0, so we just ignore it, and the derivative of tangent t is secant squared t. And here we are going to have this over 1 plus tangent t squared.